Well, currently we are sitting at 61 degrees, partly cloudy skies, humidity at 54%. But look at those winds out of the northwest at 16 miles per hour. So that's 61 degrees, making it feel more like into those 50s. Temperatures really have been struggling all day long in some areas to even break out of those 50s and get into that 60-degree plateau. 58 degrees in Houghton, 59 in Ontonagon, 65 in Florence. And don't be surprised, there's some areas that are challenging the record low maximum temperature. So the high temperature could be potentially a record low for today, and we could even see similar conditions for tomorrow. 63 degrees in St. Ignace, a chilly 55 degrees at the Sioux. Not your typical August day at all when it comes to that thermometer. Those winds, though, really howling out of the northwest still. 14 in Iron Mountain, 16 in Marquette, 18 in Houghton. A little bit more out of the southwest at 17 in Munising, but still gusty conditions. Not a great day at all to be out in those waters with those choppy waves, just the cool temperatures. But now as we focus towards the nighttime hours, it's going to be all about that frost. It's going to be the main headline for tonight and even potentially tomorrow night as well. Now, good news as we enter towards the weekend, temperatures begin to warm up. By then, though, there is a chance for some moisture to creep in, and we could have a stray shower enter through parts of the UP. But let's go back to that frost advisory. Frost advisory already brewing in parts of the central and western UP, indicated in the blue, and this starts at 2 a.m. tonight all the way till 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Make sure to protect that vegetation, also those plants, as temperatures tumble into those low to mid 30s. Now when it comes to frost, the clouds is really the main thing that can prevent frost to actually develop, because of the fact that the heat from the afternoon, as it tries to go back into space, when those clouds pretty much block it, and gets reflected back towards the ground. And that's going to keep those temperatures a bit milder, closer to 40 degrees, compared to when there is no cloudiness, all that heat escapes, and temperatures falling into those lower 30s, thus creating that frost. Now, beautiful conditions throughout the entire Great Lakes and Ohio Valley and even the parts of the plains. Now, towards the plains, though, that's where the warmest weather will be. High pressure in control, that bubble of no trouble, really just not moving at all. It's going to keep us just relatively dry, no rain whatsoever. Smallest chance of rain really won't take place until at least Sunday. And even on Sunday, we'll keep it at 10%, and that 10% will continue into Monday. But just great weather all around, maybe a bit more cloudiness as we get towards very late in the day on Saturday. So we'll go from sunny skies on Thursday and Friday. We'll keep it mostly sunny on Saturday, eventually partly cloudy on Sunday into Monday. But for tonight, 45 degrees, patchy frost. 30s are also possible and likely towards the interior. Winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Really make sure to have that light jacket with you. Make sure to bundle up for tomorrow. Temperatures warming up until 60, 68 degrees in Crystal Falls, 65 in Houghton, 63 in Marquette. And just this autumn-like weather continues through the remainder of the work week, beginning to warm up closer to normal by the weekend and into early next week.